how to put your bra on correctly. Step 1. You're going to clip it in to the looses, the first hook and eye, You're going to make sure that it's smoothed out on the back. Step 2, you're going to take your hand, you're going to place it on the side of the bust. You're going to place your other hand underneath the band. And what you're going to do is you're going to scoop the bust into the underwire. So you're making sure that that underwire is in line with your arm and flush on the body. Then you are going to make sure that the wire is firm underneath the bust and flush on your sternum. Correcting the cups, feeling that everything is in, making sure that there's no double wobble, then making sure that the strap is fitting comfortably on the shoulder. If it's not, you're basically just going to do a very light adjustment to make sure that that finishes off the cup and it fits comfortably and smoothly on the arm. So just to recap, we are going to place the hook and eye on the looses, making sure that all the busts are in. You're going to lift the bust from the side, place your wire, make sure that the wire is flush on your sternum, get all the boobies into the cup, smooth it out, and then obviously adjust your strap to make sure that the bra is smoothed out completely.